As a Navy submarine veteran, David Derr's life revolves around service.
We would like to make you an honorary submariner.
Now the retiree spends his time volunteering at the food bank and visiting the oncology floor at Golisano Children's Hospital.
We talk to the patients, the kids. We make them honorary submariners. We give them a nice plaque with their name on it, signed by us. We give them a hat similar to what I have. It's just so rewarding. I mean, volunteer work to me it's great. It is probably the most rewarding thing I've ever done.
But persistent knee pain started to restrict what he could do.
I couldn't lift much anymore. I couldn't bend over to lift stuff, and it was just painful.
Imaging showed he had bone on bone, so he decided to get a total knee replacement. After a successful surgery, Derr started physical therapy.
When I first came here, I couldn't bend my knee much at all, and I've seen progress, and they're very supportive.
While full recovery is a long process, he says he's feeling better every day, and he's grateful that he can now continue to give back to our community. You can learn more by searching for orthopedics on lehealth.org. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.